trading skills. So I'm back again with a new video. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how we can take trade as per the market situation. So right now, if you analyze the market here in this zone, it is very much understandable that market is trying to go down, but I need to analyze each and everything very efficiently. So market is here and the next target of the market is here, so I need to wait here, and I will show you why I'm going to take a trade in a down direction. Why? Because you can see here, if you analyze this market here, you can easily see one thing, that it is your left side. Okay, it is your left side and there is nothing, there is no fair value gap, there is no level, there is no swing low. Swing low is available here, and only you are having here an order block. Okay, so you have so many possibilities to go down rather than to go up. So because of this, you can see market went down. Market is trying to move in a downwards direction and it will close as our prediction. So this is the way we can take trades efficiently. Okay, so right now you can see here again, I want to explain you all here the main point why I took this trade. As I said before, I will only take one trade in my one video, because my main target is to explain you all the easiest left side area, to understand why we are getting the trade, why we are implementing our strategies, how we are categorizing the candles. So this is very much important. So again, I want to show you all that this was the area when I saw this rejection. Although this is a weak candle and I saw here the left side, so there is no level. So right now I have two levels here, I have two levels here, so still there was a gap. So because of that gap, market went down, because market was moving like this. Okay, so because of that we took this trade and we won this trade easily. So if you analyze this market here, you can easily see that on the left side there is a downtrend. It is very much visible. Okay, market went up and it is still unable to make any kind of highs. Okay, so it is continuously moving in a downwards direction, in a lower low situation, and this area is only a retracement area. You can see this one, this is the high, this is the lower low. Okay, so market was moving in this range and again it was trying to move like this. So therefore we took this trade. This is the way you can analyze the market easily. So we saw the left side, we got the confirmation to go down, then because of that we took the trade and we won our trade easily. So this is how you can take trades in a OTC market or a live market. So you need to see your left side. So try to watch the video again and again, because I am giving you one trade in one video and explaining each and everything. So this is very much easy for you all to understand the points. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all. Bye for now.